So we're tearing this out. We're tearing this old stuff out. And I'm putting galvanized metal in here. The property owner wanted to put in, so when you weed eat, you won't cut the holes in it. Got vents right here. So I got 6 or 8 of these vents. And I'll put 3 or 4 on the front side, 3 or 4 on the back side, so you get ventilation up underneath that house. So this is what's going to be going in there. And these are the sharp pointed screws, self-driving screws that go in through there. I'll shoot it up the top, shoot it on the bottom with that track that's left. So it's going to go in here like this. It'll go up underneath of here. And all I got to do is slide her down. Slide her all the way down here to the end. And then I'm going to put a corner piece right here. And this is just going to go in this track for me. I got to make sure it's good and straight. And that's basically what it is. And then I'll put some screws here. I'm going to make sure it's straightened up. I'll make sure it's straightened up with screws in. And screws in the top, screws in the bottom. Keep going all the way across. And basically all I'm doing, I'm not measuring it. I'm taking this one piece. This one piece fits all the way around. So I know this one piece will line up here. I'll make my mark and then I'll cut it. I'll pull it up here. Always wear your gloves, yeah. So I'll put it like that and then I'll cut this piece. I'll cut this piece completely off and then I'll use this piece as basically a template or a copy to keep going and keep going and keep going. So, and you gotta buy a good metal cutting blade. About $40 for that blade, but you gotta have it to cut this kind of stuff, and you gotta make sure you got goggles, some type of eye protectant for sure. You can give yourself a little room. Like this, down here, same thing here. We'll draw us another mark. We'll just cut her again. Just keep going like that, and I'll always save you one piece to make you cut with. And it don't have to be perfect. Line don't have to be perfectly straight because it's going to be hid anyway. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. There's one of my pieces here. So I'll take this. I'll go up underneath of there. I'll put it here. It's gonna go there. I'll put a screw there and a screw at the bottom. And then that's how she goes. All right, I got this track cleaned out and the skirting removed on half the front side. I still got some pieces to put on the other side. I'm gonna start here now. So now, since I just put them in there, I still gotta screw them in. So now what you gotta do is just take it. I gotta straighten them up a little. Put them where they go. Got a little red cloth. Put them where they go. Where they wanna be. Looks good. So then you take your screws and I'll show you what you gotta do. Ain't nothing to it. A lot of cutting off. You use this galvanized steel. I've cut so many pieces. So alright, put one there. Then I'll come and I'll put 3 per piece. what I put. And then I'll come down here. I'll get this other piece ready. You just gotta take it, see, the bottom pieces stick out. Got every 2 foot, 2 foot and 5 inches. So what I gotta do is when I'm done, that'll be the last thing I do. I'll come and I'll lift this up. I'll put a screw on the face of this and push that in, and it'll go through there, and there, and that'll close it up on every one of them, every seam, all the way around the whole house. See, I fixed that piece. See how flush that is? This piece is off. So I gotta fix this piece now. I'll drag that piece and put it away. Good, I got the vents in. Got about 75% of this whole back done. Well, about 80% of the back done. Got the vents in, look good. They can breathe. Now I got one more vent to put in right here. That's what I've got. I've got that little side, the 12, 13 foot side on here. I got about 2 foot up done. So I got from here to here, 25 feet I got left. About 2.5, 3 years it's supposed to be done. All right, so I still got to do this whole side. I got that. Got all this done. Got all the way around through here. Look here. Man, it looks a lot better. And I got all the way down here to the about a piece, 2 pieces before the porch. I almost made it to the end of the house. It's just a lot of cutting, but I'll tell you, see, I made it there all the way, and all the way around the side. Man, it looks a lot better though. It really does. Good and tight. Once I'm done with everything, I gotta come back and see how it comes. I gotta shoot some screws in the bottom, about every 1.5 foot, all on the bottom. Take about an hour to do that. That'd be the last thing I have to do. But yeah, man, it's coming along. Look at that. Never would have thought that would look so good. Right, she's a coming. I got her fixed here. I still gotta raise this up and screw all these. See, if I raise it up, all of them will fall. And I gotta line them up, shoot some screws in them. But I've got a big sticks and I've been cutting them, and gotta cut a piece at a time. I think by the time I'm done, we'll have 70 cuts, 70 pieces is what I had to cut. And it runs a blade out. I'm gonna have to go get another blade here next hour, but it's looking good, man. I didn't think it'd look good. That's the first time I've ever put this on a trailer. I mean, I've done them, but not no galvanized metal, but it's just looking good. All right, she's a coming. I got this side done, this whole side done. I'm about ready to go down the front. 1 piece at a time. I'm having to cut, 1 piece at a time, but man, look at that, what a difference. Good and solid. Looks good and clean. I like it. So I'm coming around the side here. Look at that down through there. Oh, there ain't nothing getting in there.